Hello, ladies. This is card number 4 from the World of Good card kit. And I don't know that there's anything I need to tell you about this one ahead of time. So I hope you're enjoying this, and I hope you found the videos to be helpful. I'm going to go ahead and switch you down and get you started, and we'll get this card put together in no time. This one I added another stamp set to it, and it's the Itty Bitty Greeting. So we're going to be using this World's Best Father right here, but you don't have to. You can use anything that you have. And this is coming out backwards, isn't it? I know there's a way to flip this. I need to work on doing that for you guys so that it doesn't look backwards. Okay, so let's go ahead and flip this down and get started. So let's switch you here. And you get to see my blinds every time I flip you down. But that's okay. Blinds are better than the ceiling, maybe? I don't know. So we're going to go up. I'm just going to make another little adjustment here. I'm sorry. There's got to be an easier way to do this. I just haven't figured it out yet. There is a program that I'm thinking about getting called Switcher, and it does this for me. So I can set this all up ahead of time and have it stay. Okay, I think that'll do it. Let's move it over a little bit this way. It depends on where my phone is located in the stand, where the stand's located on the table. It's kind of crazy. Everything gets moved, and that's the way it is. So anyway, here we go. Let's get this card going. So you're going to start with the card base, which is in your packet. And I have a little folder here. And there. This is going to get attached to the front of this. So, and these are, it doesn't matter which piece you got cut out of that. They all work because they're all the same. When I first looked at this paper, I was not sure how this was going to work. But now that I have started playing with it, I love it. So I can make it go that way, or I can make it go that way. So either way would work. I'm going to make it go the same way as my other one. And you can make yours go whatever way works for you, whatever works best on your paper, wherever you cut it from. So my words are upside down here, but it doesn't matter to me because those are probably going to be covered anyway. Okay, on the inside, this piece, this is our front, so this is our inside piece. And I have just cut off the edge because the paper was longer than what I needed. I only needed it at 5 inches, I think it was. Yeah, 5 inches. So I just cut off a strip here. And I'm just going to, and that's more than I need probably. I'm going to attach this to the bottom of the Whisper White that's going to go inside. And I don't want any white to show on that bottom edge. See, that's much more than I needed. And then I'm just going to trim that off, save it for the next one. Okay. Set that aside. And then this is going to go on the inside of my card. Now, if I was going to stamp a greeting in here, I would do it now, before I put the glue on, of course. But I would do it before I put it inside my card. Or I would not put it in there right now, and I would stick it in the back of the envelope with the card so I could stamp a greeting later and put it in there. Okay, these cards basically are very quick and easy cards. I did all the cutting for you, so I've done all the stuff that takes the most time, I think. A little shakes today. Get that on there straight if I can. Okay. And then I have 3 layers. I cut the brass at 1 inch. This is at 3/4 of an inch. And this one is at 1/2 inch. And then I used the new Lovely Labels punch on the ends of these. Loving that punch. It is so pretty. It's a little tricky to use, but once you get used to using it, it's really not hard at all. So I'm going to go ahead and attach this, my Misty Moonlight, to my gold. And these are the sizes that the punch is really designed for. And then again, I have my little Misty Moonlight stamp pad here that came in my paper pumpkin, and I'm just going to stamp World's Best Father on there. And let's put a little adhesive on the back. We'll close that up before I put my hand in it. And try to put that on there straight. I think my greeting is a little crooked, my words. Okay, on this one, you will have your globe, and you have your globe stand, and the gold ring. So I'm just going to kind of lay it out here so I know where everything is going, because I need room for my stand and globe to be not on top of my Father's Day greeting. So let's just lay that out a little bit. And I think that's pretty good. We'll go up a little. Okay, so then I'm just going to put a little bit of adhesive on the back of this and put it on my card front, making sure it's centered. I glued that right to it. Then the ring, once again, I'm just going to use the tape runner and put some adhesive there. And this is going to go right down on the globe stand, just like that, so that it looks like it's holding it. The stand is holding it up. Okay, then this, I am going to use the mini dimensionals on this. And I don't have any here, so I'm just going to cut up some of these and make my own, right? They're over across the room, so I have to remember to grab them next time. So I'm just going to put a few on the one side here that has some solid, because I don't want my dimensionals to show through. And so make sure your globe is right side up. Once you put this down, it's down. And there we are. Easy as can be. Now this could be stamped in a black if you don't have the blue, and you can stamp any greeting there. It could take a happy birthday. I made it long enough that you could stamp almost anything in there. So thank you very much for joining me for this one. And hang on, card number 5 is next. Thank you.